How to sign up for GenSpark AI. So let's go to their official website. Over here at the bottom you'll see sign up, it's free, sign up with Google. So let's click sign up. And over here I want to sign up with email, but it says login. So let's click on that one. Then you have sign up now. Click on that. Then insert your email. Then it says help us beat the bot. You need to insert the characters. Send verification code. Now it says over here verification code has been sent to your inbox. So go to your email and you should get a verification code. I'm gonna paste mine over here and verify. You cannot create a password yet. You need to verify first. So let's verify. This email address verified. You can now continue. Now you can create a password. Then click create. Make sure they match. Create. A user with specified ID already exists. Oh, so I already registered. But that's how you do it. Just from here and then you continue.